Welcome to a high-level overview of the Anchor Text Planner. Here, you get really granular with each one of the pages on your site that you consider important and that you want to increase the rankings for. So, to get a sense of how this tool works, we'll go through a quick example. Go to Add New Pages. You have several ways to add pages to this table. However, if you set up some keywords, if you activated the backlink module, whatever pages showed up in either of those are going to show up here. And then you look at the page that you want and push it into the anchor text planner. So for this example, I'm going to take my SEO case study page. Here's the page. It currently has 9 referring domains, which were found through the backlink module. This is a page type is blog content. This is basically a blog post. For the keywords, SEO case study. Now, whatever keywords I add here are going to automatically get pushed into the rank tracker and the rankings will be checked daily. So make sure it's only keywords that matter. And now for the ideal percentage, depending on what page type you selected here, Linkio automatically sets a default anchor text percentage ideal. And for this one, it's content page. And for the most part, these are highly accurate and highly helpful percentages. However, the anchor text planner, you can either use these defaults or you can go one step further and analyze all of the top ranking competitors for your main keyword and see if any of them have anchor text percentages that are worth copying. So with this row set up properly, I'm going to add this page to the anchor text planner. And then I'll return to the anchor text planner. And here I'll see SEO case study has been added. And if there's a spinner here, it means that Linkio's trying to find as many existing backlinks for this page as it can. And how is it finding these backlinks? Well, if you paired your Ahrefs API account, it's doing it automatically. If you activated the Moz checkbox in the campaign setup, it's also finding it there. And then if you have any links that it didn't find, push them in through here. And Linkio is going to be busy crawling, index checking, all of those. While it does that, I want to see who's ranking on page 1 for my keyword. So I go to add new competitors, I click on auto discover competitors, and I'm going to check the top 10 results for SEO case study. Linkio is querying Google right now. It's going to pull in the top 10, and then it's going to check the high level metrics for each one of these search results using a mixture of Ahrefs, if you paired it, and Moz, domain authority. Now, what I'm looking for on this screen is I only care about the competitors who have a similar page type and a relatively attainable authority level that I do. So since I have a blog post, this Bright Edge resource is good. Search Engine Land's domain rank is too high. I'm not going to bother with them. Victorious SEO, that sounds good. Robbie Richards, I like that. Any one of these. I like FTF agency, only has a domain rank of 58. I can go after that. So I've taken these 4. Now I need to make sure that if they're my right page type, then I don't need to change any page type here. However, I do want to edit the brand names to make sure that it's the right brand name. So I edited the brand names, and this will become important later, so make sure you do it. And you also want to check the keywords. And if there's any keywords that potentially were missed or any junk keywords like Bright Edge should not be in there as a keyword, that's a brand name. Victorious should not be in there as a keyword, that's a brand name. This doesn't need to be a keyword. After doing that check, I'm going to push the competitors into the planner for analysis. And what's going to happen next is we're going to find as many backlinks for each one of these pages as we can. And behind the scenes, it's crawling, index checking, anchor text categorizing every single backlink. So it's going to take some time. If you want to get a sense of how much time, just refresh the page, go to the top here, you'll see the crawler queue, and this is the amount of time that you want to wait. Let's look at an example of one that's done. So here are 5 competitors. Linkio's ran through the numbers. These are referring domains. You can look at the little stats as you go. But for this particular one, this is the anchor text planner. So this is the table that really matters for this module. You get the anchor text percentages for each one of these competitors. HubSpot has 47% keywords. Backlinko has 31%. Buffer 56%. Ahrefs 34%. When you take the averages, this comes out to 41% keyword, 6% branded, 23% natural. So when I'm building links to rank for this keyword, by default, this page is set to whatever Linkio page type you've put, but you can go in here, you can change it to the competitor's averages. Once you do that, next time you have a link building suggestion, or you're going to build a few links, this is the order of anchor text and keyword that you build. And when you have a link opportunity and you use the first one, just simply mark it as started. Linkio will automatically look for new links as they come in. And when it does, it'll look at what's in progress. It'll match it to whatever anchor text it is, and it'll update the roadmaps automatically. So there's no data entry involved. You just come in here when you need an anchor text, and if things are set up properly, you'll always make the right choice to get closer to that #1 ranking.